Benvenuti from Ravello, Italy. Ravello is in Amalfi. I just got to Ravello on the Amalfi Coast and I'm very excited, and I'll tell you why. I'll show you. Is there anything more amazing in the world than the Amalfi Coast? Wow, we are sitting high above it in Ravello and we're looking down the hill to both Atrani and Amalfi and the beautiful Mediterranean, where Sorrento and Positano were just a little that way in the island of Capri. So this is absolutely amazing. I can't wait. I got to get down there and check it out. But we're going to relax a little bit and check out the pool and have a drink.
Is the mosaic tiles that are placed just individually on the top of each of these columns, representing just the beautiful presence of the ceramic work, which is abundant here in the Amalfi.
Coming back into Sorrento after a great day on Capri. How was it, babe?
Amazing. My hair's a mess, but it was amazing.
And then we got this great boat, great nap on a sunny boat ride home.
Also our captain.
Capitano Enrico, the first mate. This is really wonderful. Look at the view. Ci vediamo. Specialties you get when you come to the Amalfi Coast are little touches, like for instance the bread at a restaurant. Besides the locally sourced bread and the potato cream spread, this is a carta maschera, a mask card. It's a cracker. It's paper thin, and look at the artwork done on that. It's so nice I almost don't want to eat it. Well, I want to eat it. That's no normal breadstick. And let's go for a local Campania wine. Campania is the region that Amalfi is located in, the Amalfi Coast. It's a beautiful blend. Domenica has decided to have rosé, which is also very nice. Okay, folks, when you're in the Amalfi Coast, there's lots of treats, especially what's over my shoulder, the Amalfi Coast. We're having dinner, but I will say, ci vediamo qui, which means we'll see you here.